Hey everyone, Pyro Lincoln Coil here. I'm going to do an unboxing video of world-class fireworks Sizzler assortment. I got this in Easton, Pennsylvania. Oh, let's get this started. Here we have first 5-inch assorted fountains. There looks to be like 3 different fountains, 2 of each one in here. We got Butterfly and Flowers by Boomer. Got a pack of world-class smoke balls, 2 packs of them. Some ground bloom flowers, yep, by World Class. A mini cuckoo fountain by World Class. Mammoths, Smoke by Boomer. A couple poppers.
Oops.
All right. Greeting Colored Chrysanthemum Fountain by Boomer. And this is a large golden flower fountain by Boomer. Got 4 boxes of snappers by Boomer. World-class fireworks snappers. Another large golden flower fountain by Boomer. Got a On the Fritz fountain by World-Class Fireworks. Animal House by World-Class Fireworks, another fountain. Got 2 more World-Class Fireworks snappers, so it's 3 in total of those.
Heavy.
Rainbow Fountain by World-Class Fireworks. That is a heavy fountain. Hopefully that's nice. Computerland by Boomer, another fountain. That one was cool. And last one, Cuckoo Fountain by Boomer. Try to see if we can get a shot of everything here. So, a decent amount of stuff. Some cool fountains here for $100. It's not that bad. So, thank you for watching this video, and tomorrow there'll be another one.